cool if I'm sitting, or how do
Sure.
you want me to be?
Yeah. The
Uh,
main thing is like fill the frame with the background if you can, uh,
okay.
and
You did that.
then I'm
Okay.
wondering once you
Yes.
turn on the
Okay.
flashlight if we could kill the room light. Maybe we'll see how it
Oh,
looks.
absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. I'm just setting up right now.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Hold on. Hold on.
Does
Hold
that
on.
have
Let's see.
like that focus on that head?
Yeah, it's like one of
Yeah,
those
mag.
mag light ones,
Yeah.
the cop ones.
Yeah. Focus
Like
it
those
so
are
it
the
gets real narrow.
best, right? What I'm thinking is I wanted something like, you know what I
Oh
mean?
yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah, yeah. That looks good.
my background's falling. Hang on. Wow, this is jankety jank.
Yeah, that's looking
But
good. Yeah.
you kind of want it off the background, right?
Well,
So
yeah, and you see when it goes too far toward the camera, you see it flares. So we'll have to get it so it's not hitting the background and it's not flaring. Right there. Well, there you
I
go.
see what you're saying.
Yeah. There you
If
go.
I'm doing something like
Yeah. Uh huh. Yeah, it's exciting to see. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, cool. Here we go. Yep. The other thing I'm thinking, do you have a less busy shirt? Do you have like a just a plain black shirt or something that you could put
oh,
on?
absolutely, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, that's
wow,
looking
this is
good.
dope.
Yeah, it's
We
looking good.
got it now.
Yeah.
Now we're looking, right?
Yep. Yeah, that's
Oh
kind of
wow,
sweet
it's like
spot. You can see it right there. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So interact with the
you know what
light.
I could do.
What's up?
I didn't hear you say that again.
Just kind of interact with the direction of the light, like so you can looking at the light or hiding your face from the light or doing different things. Just make sure, just kind of check where your body is so that you're not going out of the frame. And then can you move forward just a little bit so I don't see your chair behind you? Just hide the chair with your body. There you go. Cool. All right, here we go. Yep, those are great. Yeah, the shadows are nice too. That's cool. All right, you can change it up. Do something else. That looks cool though. Yeah, give me something toward the camera. Yep. Lean. Yeah, I was just kind of losing me out of the right side there. Yeah, cool.